We are here in the Sonoma, Santa Rosa. So this is a subdivision project of Empire East here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Sold out na actually to. May mga reopen lang. So, ito yung entrance ng subdivision. So from the highway, diyan ka manggagaling. So yung buong strip na yan, commercial area siya. Pero sold out na actually. So meron lang tayong na-resale na isang lote dito, which is 680 square meter commercial lot. So currently, yung binenta tong commercial properties, nasa 60,000 siya per square meter. Pero ito, since resale siya, yung price niya nasa 30 million lang. So almost nakasave ka ng 10 million, o diba, for a commercial lot. And this is a exclusive subdivision. So yung target mo talaga na market, alam mong may pera. Okay, so ito mismo yung commercial lot na available, which is 680 square meter. So if you want to discuss the payment terms or kung gusto mo makita yung actual property, just let me know.